In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off your Zoom camera by default. This feature can be a lifesaver, especially if you're frequently jumping into meeting after meeting and want to control when and how your video is shared. Let's dive right into it and make sure your camera stays off until you're ready to turn it on. First, you need to open your Zoom application. Once you're inside the app, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window. You should see a small circular icon, which represents your profile. Go ahead and click on this profile icon. This is your gateway to personalizing your Zoom settings. Now that you've clicked on the profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, you're going to want to select Settings. This section contains various options that allow you to customize how Zoom behaves on your device. The settings area is quite comprehensive, offering you numerous ways to tailor your Zoom experience to your liking. As you explore the settings menu, look for the Meetings and Webinars option. This is crucial because it's where you can adjust how your video operates during meetings. By finding and clicking on Meetings and Webinars, you're opening up a range of controls specifically related to your participation in Zoom calls. Once you're in the Meetings and Webinars section, you're looking for a toggle switch option that's labeled Keep My Camera Off. It's typically represented with a simple on and off toggle switch. By switching this toggle to the on position, you're effectively setting up Zoom to default to having your camera off each time you join a meeting. If you successfully toggle it on, your camera will remain off until you decide to manually enable it during a meeting. This feature allows you to prepare yourself before appearing in front of your colleagues or friends, giving you that extra moment to get settled and ready. It's important to note that these steps apply to the desktop version of Zoom. If you're using a mobile device, the layout and options may vary slightly, but the concept remains similar. You would look for settings related to meetings and ensure your camera is set to default to off. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you should be able to control when your video is active, granting you peace of mind and privacy during your Zoom sessions. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide made your virtual meetings a bit more manageable. If you found this helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.